like art?
Do you like art?
Kan du lide kunst?
Yes, I love art.
I love art!
I enjoy painting and drawing.
And I love to draw.
Ja, jeg elsker kunst. Jeg nyder at male og tegne.
That's great.
That's great! That's great!
I like visiting art galleries and museums.
Museums, art galleries, concerts.
Det er fantastisk. Jeg kan godt lide at besøge kunstgallerier og museer.
Me too.
Me too, me too.
It's inspiring to see different artworks.
It's inspiring.
Mig også. Det er inspirerende at se forskellige kunstværker.
What kind of art do you prefer?
What kind of art do you do?
Hvilken slags kunst foretrækker du?
I'm interested in abstract art and landscapes.
You'll go back to painting landscapes?
Jeg er interesseret i abstrakt kunst og landskaber.
I appreciate realistic portraits and sculptures.
The painting, architecture and sculpture.
Jeg sætter pris på realistiske portrætter og skulpturer.
Art allows us to express our emotions.
He just has trouble expressing his emotions.
Kunst giver os mulighed for at udtrykke vores følelser.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It's a beautiful form of self-expression.
Is an opportunity for self-expression.
Helt sikkert. Det er en smuk form for selvudtryk.
I also find art therapeutic and relaxing.
It's therapeutic.
Jeg finder også kunst terapeutisk og afslappende.
Art has a way of calming the mind and soul.
Now calm your mind.
Kunst har en måde at berolige sindet og sjælen på.
It's wonderful. How art can touch people's hearts.
It really touched my heart.
Det er vidunderligt, hvordan kunst kan røre ved menneskers hjerter.
I agree.
I agree, buddy. I agree.
Art has the power to evoke strong emotions.
Evokes feelings.
Jeg er enig. Kunst har magten til at vække stærke følelser.
Now, let's repeat with us.
Art.
Kunst.
Painting.
Maleri.
Drawing.
Tegning.
Galleries.
Gallerier.
Museums.
Museer.
Abstract.
Abstrakt.
Portraits.
Portrætter.
Sculptures.
Skulpturer.
Express.
Udtrykke.
Emotions.
Følelser.
Calming.
Beroligende.
Touch.
Berøre.
Evoke.
Vække.